Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome to the Roofman USA channel. Today we're gonna sit down with Lucas Greaves, the owner of Roofman USA. He's gonna answer the 10 most common household roofing questions for you. I'm looking forward to this and enjoy it.
Your roof, we sell two systems, 30-year asphalt system and then a rubberized system, which is going to buy you another 10 to 15 years on top of that. Homeowners insurance will cover your roof replacement in full as long as there is hail or wind damage present on the roof at the time the adjuster comes. Leaky roofs don't always need to be replaced. The majority of them do. Rare occurrences if the leak is within 10 years of having the previous roof replaced. A lot of times it doesn't need to be replaced because the materials will still be pliable enough to work with in order to perform adequate repairs. Average roof costs anywhere from $10,000 to $20,000 with multiple factors playing a part in that. Skylights, pitch, the size of the roof obviously being the main factor. But there are a number of things that play a factor as to how much the roof costs. With the pitch, the lower pitch you can walk on, everything's easy to get to. Access is easy, you can carry the entire roof off at one point and throw it off. With the steeper pitch, obviously everything is coming off right below the gutter. I mean, you can't, with a roof that's pretty much straight up and down, a 12-12 pitch or higher, all your material and all the debris is coming down where it's torn off. Signs of a failing roof will be obviously missing shingles, cracking, hail damage. You'll see cracking in the mats of shingles as they age. Granule loss is a big one. The UV from the sun tears up the shingles and you get scorching from the underside, which will release granules on the top of the shingles. Stains on roofs are most of the time algae growth called glioscapia, which will create black streaks, which a lot of times people mistake for granule loss, but is actually growth of algae on the shingles. Industry average is about 2 days. 98% of our jobs are done in 1 day, usually a minimum of 10 guys per crew. A lot of things play a factor in it. The only reason we wouldn't have a job done in 1 day would be a cedar shake redac or something extravagant or obviously a very large job. Flashing is metal where the roof would meet the wall. That would be a step flashing. Your step flashings would go up underneath your siding and then underneath the shingles. You wouldn't see any of those. Step flashing also goes underneath the counter flashing on a brick chimney, which would get saw cut in the chimney. Your counter flashing would be the piece of metal that you do see in between the shingles and about 6-7 inches up the chimney, depending on any prior penetration points on the chimney. You have about 6 or 7 different roofing options. Standing seam steel, pole barn steel, cedar shakes. A lot of the old stuff you used to see would be slate or cedar shake. A lot more pricey, obviously, and it has to fit the type of home. 95% of roofing that you'll see done nowadays is done with either an asphalt shingle or a rubberized shingle, more so the asphalt shingle. That's definitely your most cost-effective option as far as replacing the roof on your residential home. An asphalt shingle is what you will see on the majority of your homes that you see today. 130 mile an hour wind warranty, a double seal strip, nice shingle. They call lifetime limited warranty now. This is your standard 30-year shingle that you see on the majority of homes. Next most cost effective, you would have a rubberized shingle, 150 mile an hour wind warranty, similar to the asphalt shingle. Main difference being here is class 4 hail rating, softer rubber mat, so any impacts are deadened by the rubberized mat of the shingle as opposed to the asphalt shingle. You can always go online, which is popular amongst people today, but you can't go wrong with referrals. Pay attention to what's going on with your neighbors in your neighborhood. Buying local, obviously, there's no way you can really be put at a disadvantage that way. The main thing in searching for a reliable roofing professional is to not give any money down up front. Don't give any deposits. If you want to sign a contract, that's fine. But don't give any contractors any money up front. If they can't afford to come complete your project and then you pay them when you're happy with your finished product, that's probably not somebody you want to go with then.